Despite being a tiny island nation, Ireland has always punched above its weight when it comes to the screen industry. We have gotten accustomed to having our homegrown stars featuring heavily at glitzy international award ceremonies. Indeed, in 2023, we had a record-breaking 14 Oscar nominations for Irish talent. But this could be the year when we pin all our hopes on a quirky Irish language film when it comes to the 97th Academy Awards. Having been postponed twice due to the LA fires, the entire screen industry will be waiting with bated breath as the list of nominations is finally unveiled tomorrow. Among those already nominated in its long list is the hilarious Belfast feature Kneecap. The comedy drama featuring the hip-hop trio got 6 nominations in last week's BAFTA announcements, prompting a cinema release here this Friday. The Oscars long list released last month saw it given the nod for Best International Feature Film and Best Original Song as it continues its run of success. Also shortlisted for Best Live Action Short is Irish film Room Taken, funded by Screen Ireland and directed by TJ O'Grady Payton. The Oscar nominee will also be going up against fellow Irish entry Clodagh, directed by Anglo-Irish filmmaker Portia A. Buckley. The Apprentice, the movie inspired by young Donald Trump, has been given the nod in the category of Best Makeup and Hairstyling. It is made by Irish production company Tailored Films. Saoirse Ronan will be keeping her fingers crossed for Best Actress nod for The Out One, which she also co-produced. Usually seen as a good indicator of what lies ahead in the Academy Awards, she was nominated for Best Leading Actress at the BAFTAs or its February 16 ceremony. Kildare's Paul Mescal saw his profile rise massively in Ridley Scott's Gladiator 2, but the movie has met with decidedly mixed reviews. It appears to be following the fortunes of Alexander, which had a strong Irish male lead with Colin Farrell and a massive budget, but failed to hit its mark. As for previous Oscar winner Cillian Murphy, the Cork man was surprisingly snubbed by the BAFTAs for his movie performance in Claire Keegan's novel adaptation, Small Things Like These. That's not to say that the story won't resonate more with the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, who are the ones who dish out the annual awards. You can read more about it all on the Irish Independent.